Recently, the areas around Huangjiang and Ezhou in Hubei were hit by a historically rare EF2 tornado. Typhoon Bavi is also about to make landfall along the coast from Fuqing, Fujian to Wenling, Zhejiang. In recent years, extreme and harsh weather has led to door and window accidents, which has also sounded an alarm for us. The safety of doors and windows deserves our attention. When we choose doors and windows, we often overlook a very important factor, which is the wind pressure. Resistance performance of doors and windows. The secret why Warren doors and windows remain as solid as a mountain, even through extreme weather, lies in these 5 details. First, look at the profiles. The new national standard clearly stipulates that the wall thickness of the main load-bearing profiles of external windows must not be less than 1.8 millimeters. The wall thickness of the main load-bearing profiles across our entire product series all meet the requirements of the new national standard, which is our most fundamental confidence. Second, look at the glass. Don't just look at its thickness, but look more at whether it has the 3C certification mark. We come standard with 3C tempered glass, whose impact, resistance, and bending strength are 3 to 5 times that of ordinary glass. Combined with high-quality raw glass sheets from Jingjing, CSG, and Xinye, it is impact-resistant and not easily broken. Third, look at the hardware. Whether the window can be locked tightly and closed securely depends entirely on it. So don't try to save money on this. Look for major imported brands like Rodo from Germany and Sabinco from Belgium, or domestic top-tier brands like Hoppo from Shenzhen. At critical moments, they are the iron generals, safeguarding your home's safety. Fourth, look at the ceiling. The key to a window not leaking water lies in its sealing system. Our main sealing rubber strips use top-tier brands like Semperit from Germany or Jinyan Haida, which have excellent elasticity and weather resistance and are not as easily deformed or aged by wind and sun. Fifth, and the most important point, look at the installation. 3 parts product, 7 parts installation is not just an empty saying. Screws should preferably be self-tapping. Screws or expansion bolts to firmly grip the wall. The installation spacing must also be strictly controlled, 15 centimeters at the corners and less than 50 centimeters for other fixing points. Not even a single step can be flawed. These 5 details guarantee the wind pressure resistance, performance of doors and windows, from a single profile to a single screw. The protection at every stage is all to provide you and your family with an absolutely safe haven when the wind and rain arrive. Finally, a reminder for everyone: before the typhoon arrives, close all indoor doors and windows tightly. Do not try to hold the window if it shakes. Do not try to wipe the window if it leaks, and stay away as much as possible. Wish everyone peace and safety.